Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to access incognito mode in Opera. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open your Opera browser on your PC. And after opening your Opera browser, all you have to do is click on the Opera logo that you can see on the top left corner right here. Click on it, and then you can see there are various options from which you have to click on New Private Window. So after clicking on New Private Window, here you can see you are now in the private mode, and this is how you can open your incognito mode on your Opera. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.